Hi guys, today I'm gonna be revealing what this looks like because I had to flip it because I cannot really today. Let me put this away. Okay, and I'm gonna reveal it to you guys that like I just draw one YouTuber and today I'm gonna draw another YouTuber that is one of my favorite people in the whole world. You will see it today. And also let me read this and in 3, 2, 1. I hope you like it.